In all parts of the world, fast and efficient cargo handling is the most important factor, governing quick turnaround, thus reducing operating costs and increasing owners' returns on invested capital. To meet this demand, deck machinery must be reliable, versatile, and able to work under all conditions. This is where the Norwinch hydraulically operated spot loading system has made itself most popular, being able to work in all climates and weathers with the same high degree of safety, all necessary electrical parts being housed safely below deck or in deck house. The spot loading Derricks system is much simpler and more effective than a union purchase rig, being capable of lifting loads equal to the safe working load of both winch and derrick. Whereas a union purchase rig, the whole system, which is far more complex, can only lift 50% of its safe working. The Norwinch system only necessitates one man for its working, thus again reducing harbour expenses. A ship owner and a superintendent are planning the cargo handling equipment for a new ship. They are especially interested to obtain high single load performance in connection with bulk discharging with grabs. The owner had on several previous ships fitted Norwinch low-pressure hydraulic winches and gained excellent experience with this equipment. Upon studying the documentation at hand of Norwinch cargo handling systems, decision is made to call Norwinch and discuss further the possibilities of the spot loading system. At the owner's request, a sales engineer from Norwinch arrives, and together with the superintendent, the most suitable arrangement for cargo handling is chosen. The owner's representative is assured that their requirements will be covered when he learns that the Norwinch spot loading system is widely used for grabbing single loads of 5, 7, 10 tons and upwards, including weight of grab. The owner's superintendent is invited to the Norwinch Group's offices to have the system demonstrated. It is powered by low-pressure hydraulic winches comprising cargo winch, topping winch, and slewing winch. The Norwinch hydraulic system demonstrated shows the hydraulic pumps powering the hydromotors of the winches. Each winch has 2 speed ranges, controlled by 2 working chambers. Use of both chambers for heavy loads and low speed, and 1 chamber for high speed and light loads. This is a model of a spot loading derrick being demonstrated. Note the exceptionally long derricks and the end of the topping wire, which after passing the blocks is joined to the end of the slewing wire, forming a triangle giving very smooth movement of derrick operation. The order for the Norwinch spot loading derricks having been made, the production of the units commences at the modern assembly factory of the Norwinch Group. Here the assembling of the derrick sections goes on, ending up with the mounting of the gooseneck. Norwinch spot-loading Derricks system gives increased loading and unloading capacity, is labour-saving, and reduces terminal time. The system is reasonably priced, easily installed, and requires a minimum of maintenance. One man can operate cargo winch, slewing winch, and topping winch simultaneously by means of two control handles, enabling spot positioning of the load. The system is suitable for all ships, big or small. The Norwinch Group has also developed a portable remote control system for the spot-loading derricks operating all three winches. The remote control is electro-hydraulically operated and is delivered both as a stationary or portable unit. It is fitted with an emergency stop button, switching off all electrical components and actuating automatic brakes on the winches. And so the new ship, fitted with a spot-loading derrick system, is ready for delivery. She is about 20,000 tons deadweight and especially intended for timber loads and bulk cargoes, loaded and discharged by her own gear. The system, which is operated by one man, is also very easily made ready for sea. One man can easily do this in 5 minutes, just another time-saving factor. So yet, another ship leaves her building, worldwide bound, equipped to pay her way with the effectiveness of the Norwinch spot-loading derrick system.